Hello mga kaibigan, samahan niyo kami sa Halo-Halo Davao's Best.
I just wanna get you on my grid. Sometimes I migrate away from home.
Excited na akong kumain. Tara guys, samahan niyo kami. So creamy at fully loaded. Bago nga pala ang lahat, ito ang labas ng Halo-Halo Davao's Best. So narito ang iba't ibang flavor ng kanilang halo-halo. May buko pandan, Oreo cookies, avocado glaze, at mango graham glaze, durian. Meron din silang coffee corn yellow at mais corn yellow, piña colada, durian. So, pasok tayo guys!
To go beyond. I won't forget where I came from. I'll use my best to build a future. Keep moving forwards, go beyond what they call impossible. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger.
Ayan na, natunaw na. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood mga idol. God bless you all. Mwah!